Ladies and gentlemen, I've done this video to ask some questions. Funny, the things that I noticed during the holiday that we had. Firstly, on the Heroes Day, we witnessed the president of the country, His Excellency President Emmerson Damzo Mnangagwa, wearing a bulletproof. What was that? Why was he on a bulletproof? And fast forward the day after, on the Day of Defense Forces, first in the history of Zimbabwe, we witnessed the Zimbabwe National Army displaying their artillery and their fighting jets, the Air Force of Zimbabwe displaying their air tactics in the public eye. Was it in message? Because last time I checked, when China did the same, people were claiming that they were sending a clear message to Trump and the message was well received. Now back to Zimbabwe. What was the message about? Was there coded language that you guys might help me to decode? And soon after, we saw our mother, the wife of the first vice president of Zimbabwe, Mama Paloi, posting Vari Murigalia Army with the song Sunga Jombo Tiende. I don't know. You help me decode this. And with this, I just want to leave you with the snippets from the independence and the defense forces.
Gun for destroying enemy armor. Their roles include observation, monitoring, and reporting on enemy movements.
What you are now witnessing is from the mechanized brigade led by Ahmad Kaz Regiment, whose motto is Hasisabi Luto.
Atugura isusu pa futi yo yeshakare apana futi ilipo ipapo inaitwa 7.62 millimeter kosha machine gun. Atijiba ipapo shakare cha kuona isusu the Urutu recovery vehicle. Urutu recovery vehicle iyo a mobile workshop inashandiswa iyo kutonza azime kutikana zishinge Zambia amuono. Atugura shakare kwa Urutu mobile workshop apana iyo the 12.7 millimeter anti-aircraft machine gun.
In case armored vehicles break down in battle, they are recovered by an armored recovery vehicle. Behind the armored cars is the Urutu recovery vehicle, which is also a mobile workshop. It is also mounted with the 12.7